Hi everyone, my name is Enemon Onyeke and today is day 4 of my 21 days talking to the camera, and in today's video we'll be looking at some of the things I would have done differently if I'm to start my journey in the make money online space. Also, make sure you stay to the end of this video so that you get to see a bonus tip. We are all aware there are a lot of money making opportunity. All you need to do is to position yourself properly, right? So if I'm to start my journey today, one thing I'll do differently is to get a better paying skill. When I started as a freelancer on Fiverr, and I was into the article writing niche, and I think along the line I moved to doing assignments for people, right? So if I am to start my journey today, I think I'll go for a more lucrative skill, right? I'm not saying article writing is not a good niche, right? Till today, lots of people are still making money massively from that niche. But I believe that there are a lot of better paying niche, right? And also because of the opportunity I stand to gain. The other thing I would have done differently is to put myself out there, right? So at that point, social media was new for me. I don't know for others, but I was not really aware of the opportunity available on social media, that okay, this platform could be an alternative means of earning. So I'm a kind of person that like to keep things away from social media. If you are following me on my social media platform, you really see what is happening with me, right? But I think if I was to go back in time, I would have been posting my journey in the make money online space, right? So you can decide to leave some personal aspects of your life, except you want to go into lifestyle content, right? You can decide to leave some personal aspects of your life and post about your business. Why I say you document your progress with your business is because your social media platform is now another CV for you, right? Your potential recruiters are always on your social media platform to verify what you are doing, to ensure that the person they are going to hire knows what they are doing, and aside from that, you to confirm that you are not a person of questionable character. The other thing I would have done differently if I was to start my journey in the online space today is to get to relate more with people in my niche. I don't know if it was a meeting or I got influenced, or I'm a kind of person that I will say I am an indoor person. So there was not really much interaction with people in my space within my area, right? If I was going to start today, I would make sure I get to relate with people in the make money online niche in my area, at least for us to get to share ideas and also to find ways that we can help each other grow. My bonus tip for you for what I would have done if I was supposed to go back in time is getting a good mentor, right? That helped me a lot back when I started. I was able to navigate my way across the freelance platform and even other online businesses that I did because of the mentor I had. Someone was there anytime I had questions. You can message at any point and he'll be there to give a response and also help you. So if I was to go back in time, I will always make sure I get a mentor that will guide me in what I was going to do in the online space. Another thing I will still do is what paying for courses where necessary, right? I know some of us are new in the online space and will be like, why pay for courses? Why do you still want to collect our money if you are making money for what you want to teach? Okay, so there are a lot of reasons why you get to pay for courses. Some people, it is their own way of filtering the serious ones from the unserious ones, right? And some people, your payment is your way of having access to them, because they cannot always be there for everyone, they cannot always be responsible for anyone. So when you are new in the online space, I want you to normalize paying money for courses where necessary, right? So just know that at some point you may need to pay for some courses. So don't see it as something strange or people are trying to dupe you of your money. So just try to invest in yourself where necessary. I know in my yesterday's video I talked about you as a beginner avoiding every shining money making opportunity that come your way, right? So the shining object syndrome, so it's a case where you get to want to do every money making opportunity, right? So well, that is why I say get yourself a skill first, right? Get yourself grounded in one thing before you can decide to extend into other areas if really necessary. Those are my bonus tips for you, and that is all for today's video on what I would have done differently. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and see you in my tomorrow's video. Bye for now.